No, a pure luxury, absolute cruiser.
I'm feeling a king right now. Sport mode, XA. What? So today we're back with another import from Rospa Imports. And XA, I thought we were doing like GTRs and Supras and stuff. Now what you bring me here now, brah?
We're not only doing GTRs and Supras, we do classics, we do modern classics, classics, and then
This is like Hollywood stars.
Yeah, this is a proper, now it's become a proper classic car. It's a 1994 E320 Convertible Mercedes.
A quick question, right? Shoot. Why do they have wipers on the lights? For what, XA? We got no wipers on our lights
what
nowadays.
wipers on the lights say?
What?
Amalani. You know,
Are you serious?
It's a status, boss.
It's just...
Right?
Well, how come no-
really, you really need to wipe water off your headlights when you're driving? I mean, you don't.
No,
but it's just there to say, well, I'm a boss.
Brush this dirt on your shoulder, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
Alright,
So,
talk to me about the stats on this car. What engine does it have?
6-cylinder 3.2.
Let's have a look at it.
320 horsepower. I think about 240 pound-feet of torque.
So this car was like probably like one of the fast cars in the 90s, like luxury but also fast as well.
And at the end of the day, bruh, when you drive this car, the one thing all Mercedes-Benzes lack is the good old Mercedes sign. Because when you drive and you look at this, it's like a pointing star for the O's you want to hit. You see, it's where you aim.
Is that like your crosshair basically?
Yeah.
On your sniper.
No, but I mean, it's such status, you know. Modern Mercs lack this one touch.
Right.
You know, when you're cruising down the road and you see that badge in front of you, you know you're driving royalty.
Okay.
You know you're driving something
So
special.
this was a status kind of thing.
Oh, definitely.
Okay, so right now in 2024, it's also a status thing.
It's a status thing, yeah. It's a classic.
Because obviously we don't find cars like this every day.
Yeah, it's a modern classic car, dude. That's 1994.
Right.
It's got some age behind it. You know what I
Okay.
mean?
All right. So you said what engine this is?
It's a Mercedes straight 6, 3.2 liter, fuel injected motor.
They had fuel injection in the 90s.
Yeah, dude. They
I
had
thought
fuel
everything was
injection in the
carbureted.
80s, bro.
I don't even know the difference between carburetor and fuel injection, but we won't go there today, right?
Yeah.
How many horsepower is it?
But 320 horsepower.
Yes, that's fast. That's almost like GTR, standard GTR in the 90s.
Yeah. I think it's is it 320 or is it 220?
So how come the GTR was releasing?
Let me Google check this.
But how come?
Wait. We could be
Wait.
wrong.
So how many horsepower is it?
217 horsepower, 225 pound-feet of torque.
Okay, so it wasn't GTR Supra.
No, I made a mistake there. Sorry.
290 or something.
Yeah.
Standard. But still, for a Mercedes-Benz, a luxury vehicle at that time.
Oh, it's got plenty of grunts, huh? And you know what the really cool thing about driving this car is, guys, is they don't make suspensions the way they make in these cars.
This is your air suspension.
No, bro, it has a standard suspension, but when I say to you, it eats up every pothole and bump on
So
the
you're
road.
saying this thing is better than a Toyota Yaris or Toyota suspension of the 21st century? What century are we in now?
21st century.
21st
yes.
century.
Most definitely better than your Toyota Yaris. I even think it's better than some of the modern day cars. I mean, BMs and Mercedes.
Right.
I mean, the seats are so big when you sit in them. It's like got these lounge type of seats. You just like sort of, you know, you're lounging.
Well, let's check what the seats are like.
Yeah, 2 notes, features in this car.
Right.
Electrically adjustable seats.
Are you serious? And the key is not even in.
The key's not even in.
And it works.
When we sit in and close the door, this stalk will come out.
What it does?
It comes out.
What?
To give you your seatbelt, so you don't have to.
Look for the seatbelt. Like how I'm looking for the seatbelt in the Corvette.
Yep. This thing gives it to you.
Oh, wait, hold on. Now I want to have this thing for me, so okay. I want to feel luxurious too.
Check it out, bro.
Ooh, baby. I don't need to put my seatbelt on.
It's such a cool
I don't need
thing.
to put my seatbelt on, but anyway, I want to do it.
Slowly. Don't rush.
No. I know the sticky is playing hard here.
Yeah.
But I'm
You
just
take
saying-
your time.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You gotta warm it up first, dude.
No, but straight in next time.
You know-
Hey, seriously, look. I can't find the.
You can't find the hole. Must I help you find it?
This was assisting me and all that.
I don't know.
Alright.
But anyway, this relationship is going too far.
Yeah, the sticky is playing rough here with me.
Another cool thing, temperature for 1994 tells you what the temperature is. Look at that, starts on the turn,
Oh, I thought it had stop start, but anyway.
perfect oil pressure.
Okay, so we got the engine temperature there, the fuel.
But also like the outside temperature.
Oh, the outside temperature in 1984.
And you got cruise control in 1994.
This car, yo.
And the roof is totally electric. completely electric to close.
So if you hit the button now, it'll just
Yeah, so you gotta put this down, pull this clip, pull that clip,
right.
put all the windows down,
Even the back, okay.
even the back ones.
Oh, this is a pillarless now.
Yeah, it's a
Now I'm learning what pillarless means exactly.
all right, and then to summon the roof. So watch, I'm
Right.
summoning the roof to close.
Summon. So when you own a car like this, you
Yeah,
summon
you
things.
summon.
You know what I mean? It's not like
All right, so I'm summoning the roof to
okay.
close.
So there we go. That thing is.
It's going down.
The sun is blazing here today.
It's a hot day.
You know?
Give it a second.
No man, this thing must operate same time. Oh, there we go. There we
This
go.
is a 1994 car.
Yeah, I know, but they must
If
know.
you saw a roof do this in 1994, you'd have wet yourself.
I'm so scared now. Say.
See.
Okay, okay.
Fully electric, bruh. 1994.
Styling. Aish. This is so tops. Oh, then you put it on yourself.
Yeah.
With the clips,
Yeah.
done you in the shade.
Even the shade.
Now you,
And look at the roof. It's not like you can see the material.
yeah, you protect yourself now.
Yeah.
Okay, alright, cool. Is this something aftermarket? But what's that?
Yeah, it's a radio receiver. It's an antenna, and then
Oh, in the 90s, you're moving with
antenna,
that.
and then you got a little microphone here that's
For
not
your
speaking,
for your phone.
modern day radio. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Fully standard. There's nothing done to it.
Wow.
It's completely original.
Let's talk about some buttons here.
So this is for the air conditioning. So you got the the eco air conditioning.
Yeah.
Then you got your
This is
fan.
graphing. Okay. Hey! This sounds like when the plane is taking off, exact.
Then you got
Put it off and on again. I'll hear the plane taking off one more time.
All right.
listen.
1, 2, 3,
Pilot.
go.
Sounds so tops. Okay, on this side you got your headlights and to move it up and down, and this is your park brake, and this is for your temperature.
Yep.
And obviously we got a modern radio here. Now here's the other thing now.
Ashtray with the charger comes standard.
No, comes
Alright.
from the 90s.
From 90s.
You got USB chargers from the
You
90s.
got a fancy cover here that locks, so you can put some cash here. You know.
Ah, okay.
All your
It's got
legal
like a
money.
carpet inside too.
Yeah. So
Okay.
put all your legal money here.
Yeah.
Then you can lock it.
Oh, that's so top. Driving.
Oh, another thing is it has like economy driving and sport mode.
I'm driving.
Yeah, you can drive.
Oh, okay, cool. So
It's a slow car. Let him drive it, guys. Oh, and by the way, full service history. Full service history.
No. Oh yeah. Sorry. Full service. Yeah.
Full service history.
Okay, so we are test driving a 1994 Mercedes Benz. What model?
E320 Convertible.
Yeah, I can never ever get these codes and everything. But
And he's supposed to be working for an import company.
no,
Really?
don't worry about all that there. Let's put this roof back now. So now I understand what you mean by back in the days. You can see that sign there.
Check it out, guys.
Right?
You
So,
just know.
Yeah.
You just know.
From my point of view right now, I can see that sign. It's like a bullseye kind of thing. You know what I mean? So you reckon the people in the 90s were using it to knock other people?
Yeah. You aim for the peasants.
Aim for that.
Joking.
That thing is summoning the peasants.
Yeah,
This thing is really quiet, and I can understand what you mean by how smooth the suspension is.
Yeah. You
know-
don't feel anything on the road. I mean, if you drove over somebody, I don't even think you'd knew. No, that's what I meant by
This
they
video
built
is
this
going in the
car.
opposite direction right now, huh? We're talking about
So yeah, like really soft, really smooth. It's very quiet.
it's super quiet.
Only when you rev it up really high do you actually hear the engine. I mean, see how it goes over this bump. Did you even feel that? What was that crinkle in the road?
Clinker. I didn't hear anything.
If you know what I mean. It's crazy. Like, okay, let's watch this, guys. We're gonna go over the speed hump, right? I mean, when I say to you, we feel nothing in the car.
Yo, that is so smooth.
And there's no air suspension here. This is good old Mercedes German engineering, like how they used to build cars.
It feels so smooth to drive. Like when I press the accelerator, it just vibes. It's got a lot of power.
It's got a lot of torque. So it's very
1994.
torquey, so it wafts.
Yeah.
You know, it doesn't pull, shall I say, like, like modern day cars pull hard. This thing sort
No,
of
it does. Coming from a
It
guy
does, it
driving
does.
a Yaris.
No, but literally, it is a 6-cylinder motor. It does have sufficient torque to make it, a quick car.
Now I have to ask the question, because I know the people driving this car don't care about fuel consumption, but many of us do care. What do you think the fuel consumption on this car is?
Listen, it's not going to be light. It's a 6-cylinder, it's a 3.2 liter.
So you have
But, I
the
mean,
full 93 unleaded.
yeah, no, you'd fill 95. But I mean, the point of this is it's just the old school vibe of plush luxury, old school driving. You know,
I feel it.
You feel it. You know, I mean, we're so used to like talking about modern sports day cars, right? And we're reviewing fast cars, and we're talking about how they corner and how fast they are, right? But I mean, rarely do we take a second to also appreciate this sort of segment. You know, a pure luxury, absolute cruiser.
I feel like a king right now. I'm not gonna lie.
You know what I mean? The car actually makes you feel that way. It's about the pointy start, the bonnet.
So I'm flooding it now.
Okay,
I just want to feel what it feels like. Hey, kickstart, except.
And it's got a nice tone at the top too.
Yo.
You know, it does come to life, as I said to you, on the high RPMs. But when you're cruising, it's quiet, it's smooth, it's sedate.
So I'm doing. Hey, what? This clock is miles per hour or kilometers?
Miles and kilometers.
I'm doing 40 miles. Exceed. I have never done 40 miles per hour ever before in my life. Today I'm doing 40 miles per hour. But now, show again.
Which is equivalent to almost 70 kilometers an hour, which he probably tries that every day. But he didn't do 40 miles per hour.
No, I never do it. First of all, I'm gonna flaw this thing. That's what happens. Okay.
There's a switch. Did you click the switch?
What switch?
Put your foot harder now.
Oh, okay.
It's called the kick down switch.
I'm doing almost 80 miles per hour. Okay. Exceed. 180 miles per hour. Right? Put that on record. Put the date and everything in the comment section and just remind me. So you said this car has like a sports mode and eco mode.
Yeah.
Can we switch it while we are driving?
Yep. Now we're in eco mode. We were at sports mode.
Oh, we were on sports mode.
Yeah.
So now if I put my foot down,
You'll find it's a lot lazier.
okay, let's check. Right, so 3, 2, 1. Yeah, okay, I can feel the laziness. But anyway, this is like literally cruise. This thing has cruise control. How do we activate it?
By pressing up.
So yeah,
Yeah.
I press up. That's it.
Yeah, I think it's on.
Like say, the modern cars nowadays got funny things, bro. You must press a button to activate the cruise control.
Yeah, it's cruising.
It's cruising. I just press up.
Yeah.
And then how do I deactivate it?
Just press the brake.
Okay, so yeah, I was saying the modern cars, they have like the button you press to activate cruise control, and then you must set it after that there to a speed. Whereas this one you just press up.
Yeah. It's you know, it's going back to basics, simple operation, nothing complicated. You know, sort of like what the old folk like, the simple activation.
So what type of people buy cars like this in South Africa?
Listen, it's for the classic car enthusiasts, the classic car collector, someone that's looking for something different as well. I mean, listen, I would buy this car. My preference, I'll put a set of AMG monoblocks on this thing and slam it with a pipe. It'll be wicked.
Sport mode, XC. What? 80 miles per hour. Okay.
As I said, a nice pipe, slam it, AMG monoblocks.
Look, interfere with
this thing will look boss.
I would not interfere with this car. I would leave this car stock standard as is. You guys can check right now how lacquer.
You know they're saying Captain Slow, huh?
Yeah. I told you, right? If we're doing car content, I am Jeremy Clarkson. You are James May, because I don't know Jack, and you know everything. So you have to accept it, Sam. You have to accept this. Sorry.
He drives like James May. He has the knowledge of James May, and he doesn't want to modify cars. James May.
That's true. But I don't know Jack like Jeremy Clarkson. That's all.
Jeremy Clarkson knows cars. He just acts dumb.
You reckon?
Yeah. Act dumb, live long.
That's what my
You know the famous Durban saying, act dumb, live long.
I just got cruise control right now. I'm cruising at 60 miles per hour. Actually,
now, would Jeremy Clarkson be cruising? He'll be saying, power!
You'll be like,
yes!
you make a funny face. Wow, okay, so this car, damn, okay. Now I understand why this person bought this car. Which country did this car come from?
So this car was an import from the UK. Very well looked after, very clean for its age. I mean, this is 1994. The dash is not cracked. Good paint job, engine base clean, the leather, the interior is not cracked. You know, I mean, or tears. Really, really nice, well looked after, good car. Guys,
Where's the handbrake? Exactly.
10 bucks. 10 bucks, I bet you. OG2 scoops can't find the handbrake.
I know that the brake is here, right? You pull this thing.
That's to release it. How do you put the handbrake on?
This thing automatically puts the handbrake on.
No, this is 1994. So
Well, just now-
So let me tell you how, guys. Right. So
This
see that third pedal
What third pedal?
down there
Where?
on the side.
There's no clutch here, exact.
Take your sunglasses out, your ding dong.
I can see it. Ooh,
Yeah.
ooh, yeah. How the flip? Look at this. How am I supposed to hit this thing? It's like a race car driver. Look at my leg now, how angled it is.
You got oblong
Look
legs.
at that. How am I hit this thing like that?
You got oblong legs.
Oh, that's the brake.
That's the brake.
What if you're driving and you forget this is a manual and you say hit this thing?
That's why it's far to the left.
No, it's not far enough. I'm a big one. It's supposed to be a thing here, say, or a button.
Yet
No,
again,
I don't smart
this
this
is class, luxury, and not for the peasants.
Right.
Over and out.
OG2 peasants.
Joking, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Cheers. Bye.